Welcome to this guided meditation on deep breathing. I invite you to settle yourself into a nice and comfortable position in a quiet and relaxed space. Just take a moment to get out all your wiggles. Begin to slow down the body. Rest comfortably. And when you are ready, I invite you to either soften your gaze or gently close your eyes. And let's begin by taking some nice, deep breaths, allowing your mind and body to let go. Breathing in deeply through the nose and breathing out slowly and gently through the mouth. Again, take a long, deep breath in through the nose before slowly exhaling out through the mouth. And try to deepen your focus on your inhales and exhales. So focus on your in-breath. Notice how the air enters the nose, expanding the belly and the chest. And focusing on your out-breath, allowing yourself to completely empty all the air from the lungs. Take another long, deep breath in through the nose, drawing the breath down into the lungs, down into the belly, making it a big belly breath, and then releasing the air out slowly and gently, releasing the pressure of air from the belly, emptying the lungs completely, letting it all go. So just focus on taking long, deep belly breaths that fill the belly with fresh air, and then releasing the air out again, noticing the way the belly contracts. Breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. Continue to focus on each breath. With every inhale, feel the entire body expand with air, with the breath. And on every exhale, allow that pressure to release and take with it any stress, any worry, any fears you may have, and let go all concerns. Breathing in deeply, filling yourself with positivity, joy, and with peace. And breathing out slowly and gently, expelling any stress, discomfort, and pain. Keep focusing on your breaths. Slow inhales through the nose and deep, slow exhales through the mouth. With each breath, hold that focus and attention on the way each inhale feels as it fills your body, and focus on how each exhale feels as it leaves your body. Continue breathing deeply, taking long inhales through the nose and long exhales through the mouth. Feeling very peaceful and calm. Noticing what else may be present in your experience right now. And allow yourself to slowly let go of the breaths, allowing them to slowly come back to their natural and easy rhythm, letting go of the control, letting go of the need to make anything happen right now, just resting in this present time awareness. I invite you to slowly come back to your surroundings. Give yourself plenty of time to come back. Noticing any sounds around you. Observing the body sitting. Feeling your posture. Sensing the surface underneath you. And staying here as long as you wish. And whenever you are ready, I invite you to gently raise your gaze or open your eyes.